Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about numbers. Numbers in Chinese we say it 数字 0 0 0. Count from 10 down to 0. 从10倒数到0。从10倒数到0。1 1 I have just one question. 我只想问一个问题。我只想问一个问题。2 2 Half of 4 is 2. 4的一半是2。4的一半是2。3 3 Her son is 3 years old. 他儿子3岁了。他儿子3岁了。4 4 There are 4 seasons in our year. 一年有4个季节。一年有4个季节。5 5 There are 5 people in his family. 他家5口人。他家5口人。6 6 Peter has 6 brothers. 皮特有6个兄弟。皮特有6个兄弟。7 7 I have 7 apples. 我有7个苹果。我有7个苹果。8 8 He slept 8 hours. 他睡了8个小时。他睡了8个小时。9 9 It's 9 o'clock now. 现在9点钟了。现在9点钟了。That's all for today. Hope you like it. Bye bye.